Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, and it is 2019 and it is Sema. We're in the Ford booth and we're going to take a close-up look at the 2020 Ford Ranger Super Crew built by Advanced Accessory Concepts. To get more details on this really interesting build, we pulled aside Rory from Advanced Accessory Concepts. All right, we're here with Rory from Advanced Accessory Concepts. Rory, tell us a little bit about what inspired the build.
The overland market is growing here in North America, but globally it's been prevalent for many years, with exploration. And when you look at that market, the Ford Ranger really is a huge part of it globally. And now that it's part of the US, we wanted to take that global influence and bring it here to the Sema show and kind of showcase what people are doing across the world with some of the products that we supply to the market.
Makes sense, and the Ranger is a great platform for that. What are some of the mods that you did to this Ranger to make it ready for overlanding?
So we've obviously, everybody that goes off-road, the first thing we're going to do is suspension, wheels, and tires. And then we've gone through and added our full AFN bumper setup, bumpers, sliders, and then most unique is the canopy, which, we removed the whole bed from the vehicle, put in the canopy so we have storage for all of our gear. And then all of that is plumbed and wired through our Trigger 6-shooter wireless accessory controller. So all the knickknacks or doodads or widgets that we add, it's all controlled via our wireless controller or 12-volt power distribution module.
Everything's centered in that one power distribution module. Very cool. Hey, thanks, Rory. Really appreciate the time. That's everything for this video, but if you want more details, make sure you go to Motoroso.com/FordSema 2019, where you can browse all the interactive content related to this build and everything else in the Ford booth at Sema 2019. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our future videos. And when you're shopping for your parts, make sure you go to Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Thanks for watching.